Hi friends, welcome back to the conversation of Wednesday. Wishing you very happy Diwali in advance. Friends, before going out and bursting the crackers or distributing the sweets with your friends and family, let's create some amazing offer so that nobody can reject it. And this will help you to boost your sales by 10x. Friends, today whatever the offer template I'll be showing will be benefit for you for all kinds of products and services, and also you can use it for all the upcoming occasions. So let's start designing. Friends, you can see that we are in the Canva dashboard, and today whatever design I'll show will be inside the free Canva itself. And since it is free Canva, I have taken a lot of time to search the free elements. So you can have a look at this, and all these elements I'll be using. You can take a screenshot of it also. So let's start today's designing. First of all, I'll make the background of the offer template, and I will make it a linear gradient color. You can also see the gradients which I am using. It is a mixture of two colors and I have made it a linear one. Okay. The next thing which I'll take is this one, and I will just put it like this here. Just you can duplicate it and you can flip it horizontally. The next thing which you can do, you can create like Diwali Dhamaka. Okay, just add a tick box and you can reduce it like this, and you can change the font to this one because this font is will I'll represent it as a Diwali Dhamaka offer. Okay, and let us do it. I'll just use it like and put it into like, you can make it a little bit bigger because I just want to show it as a bigger offer. Just go to position. I just want to make sure that it is in the center. Okay, now a little bit pull it upward. I'll change this designing to yellow one so that it looks prominent. Okay, my dear friends. So let's do it. And here I'll be using the crackers, the Diwali crackers. And you know that this firecrackers is the color changeable. You can use it as your own colors. But I'm using the default one because it is coming correctly with my background color as well as a festival of lights, that is Diwali color. Okay. Now let us create a duplicate of it and I'll just put it here like this. Or I'll just want to make it a little bit small so that I can also make it this one small. Okay. So you just put it here like this and just create a duplicate of it and put it little bit like this. Or else I'll just make this one small so that it comes perfectly inside the offer zone, Diwali Dhamaka writing. And I'll create a duplicate of it and I'll delete this one and I'll put it here. So friend, this type of small changes you can do in your design and you can take care of it while doing the designing because it appears good, right? Now next comes the mega cell template. Okay, I'll write a mega cell thing, and for that I'll select a shape. Like I can go for a rectangular one and you can just put it here. Just pull it in both sides like this. You can pull it up a little bit and you can do the corner roundings like this way. I just want to put a border also, so I'll just put a border style. In this case I'll make the border color as white. Okay. Now I'll just write like mega sale. Let us copy this one and I'll just raise it. I'll write mega. This time I'm going to change the font to Leaks pattern. Okay. Because I want to appear this mega as a different one, and that's why I'm doing like that. Okay. Now let me duplicate this. I'm going to write the sale. Now let us make this sale color as a white color because I want the sale to be looking as a different one. Now let us go to position. I'll just make it as a center. Since you can see that I have already written the mega sale thing and I'll be putting the gifts because sales mean gifts which we take a lot and lot from the shops and they promises us that they will give a lot of gifts. So let us see and I'll also create a sale like that. You can check the angle of this by going to position. You just go to the layers and you can arrange it. You can see that the rotation angle. I'll just make it little more rotation. And here you can make the same rotation in a positive way. That is, I'll just put it like 14.2 and I'll just remove the minus. So it becomes the same angle. You can check the position of it. I think it's okay. What do you think, my dear friends? I think it's okay, right? You can have a look at it that it's coming properly. Now let us complete the entire designing. I'll go what we are selling for. So let us see a frame. And you know, friends, the frames are already free inside the Canva. Okay, so you can have a look at all the frames. I'll show you that if you click on the frames, all the frames are more or less free. So there is no pro version in the frames. Even the good frames you will get for free inside the Canva. So take a chance of it. Don't miss the chance. I don't know when they will make these also as a pro. So let me go to the position. I'll go to the layers and I'll just group all these four and this one like this, and I'll just make it a little bit small and I'll just pull it upwards. Now I'll just put it like this. Now here I'll do the corner rounding once again. The thing which I'm selling now is my electronic goods. That is my iPhone and iPads. So let's do it. Yeah, here is the offer which I created for iPad and iPhone, and I sure that nobody can reject it. Okay, so let me create it a little bit small, and I'll go to again position. I'll click on arrange, and you can put it in the center. Okay, now let me pull it up. Now I will use the diyas because you know, friends, Diwali is incomplete without lighting our house with the help of diyas. Okay, so let's put the diyas like this, and I will just duplicate it like this one. You can put it across in a 3D way like this one. Make sure that it is coming correctly in all the ways. Okay, now it's coming correctly. Now let us take this offer thing, offer element you can say, and I will just make it little bit big. Okay, so what I will write here, I'll write like 50% off. Here again, I'll go to text. You can add a text box and you can just make it big. Make sure that you are using a different form, that is a leaks pattern you can use, and you can write like 50%. 50%. I can just make it a little bit big here, or you can just make it big from here also. So let us come make it a little bit big so that everybody can see the offer, right? So I'll change the color to the yellow. So 50% off I want to give. So let me duplicate it and I'll just write OFF. Again, in this case, I'll reduce the size because this one can be reduced, but the 50% need to be bold so that everybody can see the offer. Okay. And everybody should not miss the chance also. Now, let us see the other features that I'll put, like this lady I'll put, and I'll also use this element. This is a free Canva element. I'll just put it like this so that somebody should be amazed by getting the offer, right? Let us change the color of it a little bit. I'll just make it a little bit darker, or a lighter one would be good. And I'll put this lady as the one who is showing you the offer, and you will be following her. Just make it a little bit big. Yeah, and make it a little bit down. Again, you can make it a little bit big. Now, let us write some features of this offer. We cannot put a simple offer, right? There should be some good terms and conditions as well as the features of it. So I have written some features. I'll just simply drag it. You can put your things. Like if you're selling a different thing, you can create an offer of that and make it a little bit small. And you can also change the colors to the yellow one. Okay, so that everybody can see it. And rather, I'll go for the white color because it's coming nicely with the template here. Okay, now let us create the offer zone. Like I'll put the call to action button. But before that, I will just make the background of this little bit bigger because the element should come spreaded across it, and it you can pull it a little bit up. Okay, you can see it, and just make sure that you are doing it correctly. Next thing which I will be putting is a call to action. You can take the call to action button. This is a mobile and this is free inside the Canva again. Okay, and you just need to make it small, and you can change the color to white. Okay, just you can reduce it a little bit because the icon is not important. The action number is more important so that everybody can see it, and you can pull it a little bit down. So this is coming correctly, right? If you want, you can pull this little bit up, or you can make it a little bit small also so that the mobile number should appear more bold, and it should be everybody should look at it. That is all about the intention of creating an offer, right, my dear friends? So I think this much is fine. I'll just reduce it because I don't want this to be overlapped. You can have a proper look at it, and just reduce the size of it. Yeah. Now, if you want, you can put your business logo here, and if you want, you can put your small website link, and you can design it and customize it in your own way. So, friends, how is the designing? I hope that I have not bored you too much by providing a mega sale Diwali offer. Friends, you know that by creating the offer, we are also telling that you can create this advertisement for your social media zone, and you can do social media marketing, and all the courses are also taken in our YouTube channel also. Shortly, we'll be coming up with the courses, and guys, the courses are already ready. If you are willing to join, you can contact with us with the number given in the description section. So, friends, that's all for today. And tomorrow again, I'll be back at 12:15 p.m. in the morning. Wish happy Diwali to your friends and family members by sharing this design so that nobody can reject it and they can also learn something and enjoy it also. And don't forget to subscribe our HBNet Agency YouTube channel. Thank you, bye, and see you on the Diwali day.